people usually do this trip from home to work and then to home again, using boats, metro, buses every day. Every day for years, maybe for almost their whole life. What we discover is that people is the same. The buses are the same, everything is the same. But something changes radically from the going there and then the coming back. Because the emotional perception of the commuters changes. In the morning, they go fast, so they have to run, so they don't care maybe so much about their experience in this situation. While going back, they are tired, and so they are bored. Maybe they are starting to relax, so they can really feel and care about them. They are also thinking about maybe their family, their home, their pets, or somebody is waiting for them. So this is like what we want to explore, this changing mood.
Yeah. So you see here the smaller space, so that's in the morning, so they run, and so the waiting is actually experienced shorter. At least that's what we assume. And that one is larger, and that's where we focus, the interviews we have. The commuters say, they're bored, they're slow because they're bored. So we try to deliver something, an experience here to make the time for them, experience the time shorter and do something maybe useful or not. So we have I developed 3 ideas. 2 are participatory and 1 is not. I'm going to introduce the first one, which is the interactive commuting community. So basically, each commuter, so it's a concept that could be filled with different things, but each commuter gives input into our device, could be photo, text, sound, which then will be mixed and outputted again. So that could be either back to the phone of individual commuters or onto a public, screen or space. So you would basically try to, or you would hopefully encourage, discussion, or if you, talk or communication. Doesn't have to happen, but it could. And we thought you could even give different themes, so you could say, okay, today you just express something like, how was your day, or something. So you give it a topic or something, or you could use it as raising awareness. So it would be actually about carbon something, right? So it would be a week of something, and then they would contribute. And then while seeing, so you see the input of everyone outputted somewhere. So it actually gives you something back. So you are part of something bigger. So you have something to do there. You can communicate or you can interact with that, and you see how that changes. So so connecting people, share ideas and experiences was the topic of this one.
Do you want to do the ear?
Sure. If you wanna
Oh no, I
just
think
keep it as a
I think that the other idea we had was the environmental time-lapse machine, because some of the commuters or the interviews said that they would like to have sort of the sea closer and sort of experiencing sort of the calmness of that. And we thought to bring it closer, it might be nice to have a video showing or some sort of that brings sort of the outside into the sort of space where these commuters are waiting. And not just in sort of real time, but filming the environment that they missed during the day. So the change in maybe the light or over the sea or over the river and things like that. So, and over time they would have sort of days, a catalogue of days which would have been filmed, so you could see, how was my birthday last year, what was it like, so you could then play it. And sort of to maybe link it also to the low carbon society, we thought maybe to have to bring sort of air quality and sort of information of that in, but more abstract, maybe in a visual way, sort of red before this was quite a polluted day, and green it was quite a good day, so sort of in the sense of raising awareness at the same time.
So we have another idea. It's attached, so I'll just talk about it. It's similar to a number of projects talked about giving input to a system, and so we kind of thought one way to invite people to speak or to talk would be an ear, so you can go up and speak to it. And then the idea came out that it could be a worry box, or where you would go and you drop off your worries, you remove your emotional baggage, and then you go on your journey. So perhaps that would be enough to make people engage with it, but maybe we need to give them something to talk about, or to get them over that threshold of speaking. So it could be that they leave messages for their families directly, and they know how to communicate through some sort of channel, or it could be that it's going out to the public, where it's connecting spaces. I think we talked about other public spaces that could be in other communities that are not even connected to this, but perhaps that gives others outside places or cities or countries a chance to see that. But for the user, maybe they feel, just knowing that somebody is looking at it, they feel their worries are somehow heard by someone. So did I miss any details on that one? Okay. Good. So